Amen. YouTube.
Yeah, this is going on YouTube. Check out the diff in the rear. Oh, there is none there. Fully thick paint. Yeah, big Mustang, 4 litre turbo, GT45, front man cooler, big man in front of me, covering the camera. Yep, it's got friggin', yeah, 8 3/4 diff, 355 gears, mini spool, fully thick interior, like custom, check it all out, custom. Yep, nice and black on the good camera. Yep, look at that custom steering wheel over there, can't even see it. Pretty good. It's good shit, yep, yeah. Check out the rim, pretty gay, but they sort of look average. And there, yep, diff, yeah, done. Check out this thing. Come on, video.
Mustang, 4-litre turbo, GT45. Mustang, 4-litre turbo, 45.